gasoline is gasoline. Right? Wrong. Some fuel brands can slowly destroy your engine while others are scientifically proven to make your car last longer. Today I'm exposing 11 gasoline brands you should avoid, and 5 that protect your engine from inside. Most drivers have no idea until it's too late. Let's start. Most car owners think fuel is all the same because it meets government minimum standards, but that's the key word here, minimum. Some brands barely pass the requirement, others go way beyond, adding powerful detergents that keep your engine clean for years. Neglecting this could mean dirty injectors, reduced power, rough idling, engine knock, and expensive repairs. And if you drive a modern direct injection engine, the risk is even higher. So, here are 11 gasoline brands that, experts and millions of frustrated drivers warn you to stay away from. First, 76 at certain low-tier locations. Many stations have inconsistent fuel quality, and drivers report more knocking and poor mileage compared to top-tier fuels. Next up, Circle K. The fuel quality really depends heavily on the supplier, and that inconsistency can lead to clogged injectors over time. Third, Sunoco, especially their low-detergent grades. Sure, they have a racing reputation, but lower-tier pumps can have minimal additives and even contamination problems. Fourth, Arco. The fuel is cheaper, but, many mechanics complain about carbon buildup due to weaker detergents. Fifth, Costco, with their budget formulations. Bulk fuel isn't always cleaner, and some drivers notice hesitation and rough cold starts. Sixth, Safeway fuel. It's not top tier, meaning there are lower cleaning additives, and fuel system components can really suffer long term. Seventh, Walmart and Murphy USA. The low price attracts a lot of people, but quality control is inconsistent, and there's a high chance of dirty injectors. Eighth, Love's Travel Stop. It's popular for convenience, not for engine protection, and there are reports of a drop in miles per gallon. Ninth, Pilot and Flying J. These are primarily geared toward gas-and-go customers, but detergent additives are lacking in some regions. 10th, Kroger Fuel. The discount programs are tempting, but the fuel often leaves behind heavy deposits. And finally, local unbranded stations. No top-tier certification means you get unknown and risky additives, and just one bad tank can cause fuel pump failure. These brands are part of the top-tier program, which means they actually exceed government standards and help prevent carbon buildup. First, Chevron, their Techron additive means cleaner valves and better mileage. Second, Shell, their nitrogen-enriched detergents reduce knock and help restore performance. Third, Mobil, it's excellent for fuel system cleaning and protects GDI engines. Fourth, Phillips 66 and Conoco offer a great balance of price and protection with really strong detergent standards. And fifth, BP and Amoco. They have high-quality refining and filtration standards, especially in their premium grades. Engines today have these tiny fuel injectors that, spray fuel in a really microscopic way. When dirt starts to build up, it can actually block precision holes that are even smaller than a human hair. The symptoms don't show up all at once. They begin slowly. You might notice rough idling, a bit of hesitation when you accelerate, reduced power, lower miles per gallon, maybe a check engine light for a misfire, or even an overheating catalytic converter. And honestly, all of this can lead to some pretty costly repairs over time. A clean engine, believe it or not, can easily add over 50,000 miles to your car's lifetime. Choosing the right fuel is really the smartest way to prevent problems before they even start. Here's some bonus advice for you. Try to use top-tier fuel at least every 3 to 4 fill-ups. Only add premium if your car actually requires it. Another thing, avoid buying gas when a tanker truck is refilling the station, because sediment gets stirred up in the tanks. Remember to replace your fuel filter every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, and every once in a while, use a reputable injector cleaner like Techron. Don't let cheap gasoline destroy your engine. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to Gear Specs, and leave a comment below. Let us know, which fuel brand do you trust? Make your engine last, one smart decision at a time.